How to create a TradingView account. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you are on TradingView and wondering how to create an account, you are in the right place. First of all, launch open the TradingView application on your device, and once you're in, go to the menu option at the bottom right corner and at the top click on sign in. On the next page, you'll get to choose the sign in or sign up methods. If you want to create a new account, go ahead and select sign up from the bottom of the screen. And on the next page, choose how you'd like to sign up. You can sign up with your Apple ID, with your Google account credentials, or with the email option. I'm just going to click email. You may also go ahead and sign in quickly with X, Facebook, LinkedIn, or Yahoo account if you wish from the bottom of the screen. I'm going to click on email option since I want to sign up with email. Now at the top of the screen, you'll see the email option. Go ahead and write down your email address that you want to sign up with. After typing down an email, go to the username tab and create a username for yourself. Now where it says password, create a strong password which you'll be able to remember but others won't be able to guess. Finally, click on create account at the bottom. Now, you'll receive an activation key sent to your provided email inbox. Go ahead and open it up. Click open the email from TradingView and confirm the email by clicking confirm email. Soon after you do that, you will be able to sign up for TradingView. So there you have it. You can now start exploring the charts, watch lists, alerts, and other features after you are done with the sign up. So there you have successfully created a new TradingView account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.